now going to tell about sponges, the phylum Porifera. The phylum Porifera is nothing but the primitive animals. These are just the clusters of different cells. Now I'm going to tell you about what is Phylum Porifera. This going to has multicellular animals and cellular level of organization. If you take a pomegranate fruit, how the little fruits are joined, here also just cells are just joined together without even a tissue. These are irregular, asymmetrical and without a proper shape. These are the actual sponges. This sponge is going to have water transport and canal system. Here water enters through minute pores all over the body and going to be the single cavity, central cavity, which is known as the spongiocele, and it goes out through the single outer cavity, which is the osculum. This is the water transport system of the sponges. Water enters through the small pores ostia and travels through the single canal spongiocele and goes out through the opening big canal osculum. This pathway of water is helpful in food gathering, respiratory exchange, and removal of the waste. In gathering the nutrients and getting the oxygen and removal of the wastes are the uses of this water transport system. It's going to have conocytes or collar cells that line the spongiocele and the canal. Full inside canal is lined by the conocytes or collar cells. And the digestion of sponges is intracellular, means each nutrient must go inside the cell of it, and inside cell the digestion going to happen like it happens in amoeba, not like us in which stomach outside itself juices secrete and digestion happening. And its body support is by skeleton made up of spicules or spongin fibers. They have spicules or spongin fibers. Those fibers, spongin fibers, going into form support to the body. How exactly bone gives support to our body and cellulose gives support to plants. These are about the sponges. Here the reproduction happens by fragmentation asexually, and sexually it going to happen by the gametes, and both of the sperm and the egg are present in a single thing, therefore they are known as hermaphrodites. The fertilization going to be internal, means the gametes going to happen within the inside of the sponge, and development indirectly with a larval stage which going to be different from the sponge stage. Na 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 na.